Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the keyboard type and establishing a connection. Smart Keyboard uses the Smart Connector, Magic Keyboard attaches magnetically, and third-party keyboards pair over Bluetooth. Once paired, make sure the iPad shows the device and a clear battery indicator. If the keyboard has a brightness key, locate it now. Otherwise, you'll adjust via Settings or Control Center. Take these first steps so the iPad and keyboard communicate correctly, and you can change illumination without guessing where controls are. Now adjust how bright the keys are. Press the keyboard's dedicated brightness keys to step through levels. Hold a key to speed adjustments. If the keyboard lacks dedicated keys, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center and use the display brightness slider for overall screen light, which some keyboards mirror. Once done, open Settings, Display, and Brightness to enable or disable auto brightness and fine-tune night shift. This affects perceived contrast and ergonomics while typing in different lighting conditions. Finish by testing the keyboard brightness across lighting scenarios, lower levels for dark rooms and higher for daylight. Make sure the keyboard's backlight turns off after timeout if available to save battery. If brightness keys don't respond, restart the iPad and repair the keyboard. That often restores function. If problems persist, check for iPad OS updates and any keyboard firmware from the manufacturer. One key troubleshooting tip: unpair and forget the keyboard in Bluetooth settings, then pair again. That resolves most connectivity and control issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.